Okay, so we have another quotient here, function, with a numerator and denominator. So the numerator there we call u, and the denominator we'll call v. Just like before, we're going to find the derivative here of this and the derivative of that. So differentiate this, you get du by dx is 3. Differentiate this, dv by dx is, well, that just becomes 2, doesn't it? Very straightforward. So then the quotient rule, okay, and I always find it's really good when you're practicing this now, for the first, say, 10 or so questions, keep writing down the rule, right? Keep writing down the formula so you get used to it. So it's a v du dx minus u dv dx, okay, all over, so get your ruler, the whole thing all over v squared. So remember then the sort of cross thing then, so we got v, which is 2x plus 3, times du dx, which is 3. Take away then the u, which is 3x minus 1, times the dv dx, which is 2. Okay, so that times this, take away then this times this. All over, you've got to keep putting the divide in and putting the v squared in. So the v is at the top right here, so 2x plus 3, bracket it, and then square it. So we're not going to touch the bottom, we're going to leave that as it is. But the top we're going to sort out. Now you could go for it straight away. So you could expand this bracket here now, simplify it, and expand this bracket here, right? And then we're going to simplify the whole top. What might be sensible is just to rewrite this, just so you don't get confused when it comes to expanding, especially this second bracket here. So it might be good just to put that 2 in the front, the number in front of the bracket before expanding. Okay, so let's expand the top then. All right, maybe draw my line first. So the top then, if I multiply 3 times 2x is 6x, 3 times 3 is 9. Now be careful here when I multiply, because it'll be minus 2 times 3x, which is minus 6x. But watch out, minus 2 then times minus 1. So when you times them, minus times a minus becomes a plus, yeah? So be careful on that. And then what you'll notice nicely in this case then, the 6x is actually cancelled, don't they, in this case? So that is quite nice. And you get on top 9 plus 2 is 11 all over 2x plus 3 squared.